Hello! In today's video, we're going to show you a brief overview of the Dial admin panel. If you're new to Dial, please check out the Dial intro video linked in the description below, or go to our website at dialx.ai. Essentially, the Dial admin provides system administrators a control panel for configuring and monitoring their Dial ecosystem, a single access point to set up all of the back-end components. We're going to do much deeper dives into each of the sections in the future videos, but for now, let's take a quick look at some of the basic functionality. In the home screen, you see a customizable landing page with a link to documentation and some quick actions, like importing or exporting configs or opening the Dial chat instance. Below that, you see a customizable list of all the sections of the sitemap, which includes entities, builders, assets, MLOps to interact with MCP, access management, approvals, and telemetry. Let's start with entities. In this system, entities are individual objects. Here, we can add and configure all models, applications, and routes available to Dial users. For each model and application, or agent in the system, we can configure basic properties, as well as important settings like rate limits, access permissions with roles, and interceptors, and also monitor the usage in real time. Note that just about everywhere in this Dial admin panel, you can switch between this tab-based GUI and the JSON editor. So next, we have the Builders section. Unlike individual entities, builders are reusable components, like application templates or interceptors. Interceptors are Dial's approach to responsible AI and guardrails, and the admin panel allows administrators to set them up and control which models or agents have them attached. Application runners allow administrators to easily manage families or classes of application types that use a common engine, like quick apps or mind maps. The Assets section contains all published content within the organization. Administrators can also create and publish prompts, files, and agents directly from within the Assets section of the admin panel, and view all of the assets that have been approved. To appear here, Dial end users can request to publish their assets from the Dial frontend or via API, and these publication requests will appear in the Approval section. Here, administrators will manage all requests to publish assets within an organization, including prompts, files, conversations, and user-created applications or agents. User collaboration is a very important part of the Dial story, and the Dial admin's Assets and Approvals sections provide system administrators with an easy way to manage this collaboration. We'll be going into a lot more detail about Dial's MCP architecture and connectivity in the next video, but I just want to mention that the Dial admin is where you can configure or deploy MCP servers and instances from within the MLOps section. Within Access Management, we can create user groups for Dial users, which can then be assigned to certain entities within the Dial ecosystem. And as we showed in the Entity section earlier, we can configure access and rate limits per role. These can also use the SSO Active Directory structure. API keys and the users and roles associated with these keys are going to be managed from within Access Management as well. Finally, there's the Telemetry dashboards. These contain real-time information about the usage of the system, including cost and token usage, as well as the system load. We can also use external tools like Grafana to create custom dashboards for analysis. We hope you enjoyed this abbreviated walkthrough of basic Dial admin functionality. Ultimately, the Dial admin is designed to be customizable and provide a feature-rich, intuitive UI for managing your entire Dial ecosystem. This is just the first of many videos about this constantly evolving Dial admin panel, so please stay tuned for more videos where we'll showcase how to set up models, agents, MCP servers, external applications, and so much more. See you next time. Thank you.